E. Euler's number. Euler's number is named after Leonhard Euler, a Swiss mathematician. E is the base of the natural logarithms. The first few digits are 2.7182818284590. These are just a few digits of over 1 trillion digits. E can be represented by the formula A equals 1 plus r over n to the power of n times t, where A equals the final amount, r equals the interest rate, n equals the number of times compounded, and t equals time. Or it can be represented by 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 1 times 2 times 3, and so on. The number E is an irrational number that can be used to calculate compounding interest. The graph of E is shown to be a little something like this, and as the numbers go from negative to positive, they increase slightly and then more and more as the numbers go up. Euler's number can be applied to real-world examples. A real-life example of E would be an investor wanting to make an investment of $645 at an annual rate of 9.85% and wanting to know the greater investment after 10 and 20 years, quarterly and continuously. Quarterly, the investment will grow to $1,706 after 10 years, and after 20 years, $4,516. The percent increase after 10 years would be 164.6% and 600.2% after 20 years. The yearly increase after 10 years quarterly would be 16.46% and 30% after 20 years. Continuously, the investment will grow to $1,727.2 after 10 years. After 20 years, it would grow to $4,625. The percent increase after 10 years continuously would be 167.8%, and after 20 years, 617.1%. The yearly increase after 10 years continuously would be 16.78% and 30.9% after 20 years. Overall, quarterly and continuously, the investment doesn't change much, but investing $645 at an annual rate of 9.85% continuously is a greater investment.